This was the stuffed animal war, and the stuffed animals got put in timeout. They're fighting so much that even I had to put them in timeout. And here they go. They're gonna do a chest bump straight in the middle. Ready, set, and go! Instant replay. Really? Oh, that hurts so bad. And this was the championship round still, so we will get ready for the fight. So they're getting ready. I want a hot dog. I want another hot dog. I gotta go potty. Mommy, I have to go potty. You're gonna die. Ouch. The stuffed animals need to be checked. Are they okay? I'm not sure. Son's heart pressure. He's okay. Ouch.
I figured out the Animoto login.
Cool.